sign, you might think of this. But this ain't the sign, alright? When you think of a tangent, you don't think of this.
There are three formulas for solving sides and angles of triangles.
So first, to solve the angles of the triangles, we must first learn the three trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, and tangent. To find the sine of angle A, we must first take the side opposite of angle A, x, over the hypotenuse, y. So sine of angle A equal x over y. To get the cosine of angle A, we must take the adjacent side to angle A, which is z, over the hypotenuse y. So the cosine of angle A is z over y. To get the tangent of angle A, we must take the side opposite of angle A over the side adjacent to angle A, x and z. So the tangent of angle A equal x over z. In this segment, we will be learning how to solve for the angle using the three trig ratios: arcsine, arccosine, and arctangent. If we already know the opposite side x and the hypotenuse y, then angle A is equal to the arcsine of x over y. If we only know the adjacent side z and the hypotenuse y, then angle A is equal to the arccosine of z over y. If we know the opposite side x and the adjacent side z, then angle A is equal to the arctangent of x over z.
So not interested.
In this segment, we will learn how to do an example problem to show you how it's done. In this case, if the opposite side of this angle is 3 and the hypotenuse is 4, what is the measurement of the angle? Well, since we know the opposite and the hypotenuse, we can use the arcsine of 3 over 4 to get angle A. To do this, press second on your calculator. If you press sine button on your calculator, you should get arcsine of parentheses. Put your formula in the parentheses. Example, arcsine of 3 over 4. Press enter and you should get your angle, which the angle is 48.59 degrees.
Now is the story of SOHCAHTOA, about a very clumsy Indian boy who stubbed his toe just so we can learn math. Formulas for sine, cosine, and tangent. Once in the beautiful land of Texas, a young clumsy Indian boy was on a running trial. If he didn't pass his trial, he wouldn't get a name. One time he passed the trial, he stubbed his toe, and he got a bad foot injury. If he didn't pass his test, he would not get the name he wanted. So he tried the best to heal his injuries. This is the mutilated toe of the Indian boy, and it is mutilated nails and bruised and everything. In this very lush creek, the Indian boy healed his toe. At this very spot, he healed his toe, or so our textbooks say. As he put his foot in the muddy creek water, he asked the gods to give him a name and pass the trial so he could be one of the Indians. The chief was so proud of him when he came back with a healed foot, and he called him Chief SOHCAHTOA or SOHCAHTOA.